What's up guys? For today's video I'm going to put to the test one of the best floaters you probably can get right now. This advertised for the lakes, but I'm going to test them out in the swimming pool as well. I got one of the smaller ones, so let's open it up and see what's inside. So what this thing is all about, this is 9 feet by 6 feet floating water map. So what I'm going to do is lay it in a pool, in a lake, and I will be able to stand up on it. At least this is what they advertise. I'm 220 pounds, so I don't know if it's going to hold me, but smaller people probably will hold no problem. But yeah, let's find out. There's the Velcro holding everything together. 1 and 2. It is all messed up right now because it's been in the box, but let's try to flatten it out. So this is definitely a minus about this thing because it takes a while to undo. I need a second person, that would have been easier. There you go, but I figured it out. So what I'm gonna do, put it in the water and see if it's going to hold me without sinking. Okay guys, there goes nothing. I gotta be careful not to slip and fall and hit myself on the side of the pool or on the edge of the pool over there. So let's see if it's going to hold me. Whoa, no way! I can stand on it! As long as I keep moving around, I can stand on it. Whoa, no way, this is so cool! Why is it pulling me to the side of the pool? The dogs want to get in. Maybe I'm going to let them fly on it. Alright, swim away from here. Guys, it's so funny. It's so weird to try to stand on it, but as you can see, I can stand. I'm gonna play with this and then I'm gonna let the dogs climb on it as well. Alright, let's try this again. You see what I'm saying? You gotta be careful when you jump on it. You don't wanna hit your head on the side of the pool. This is why it's mostly made for the lake. Woo! I need the double one. But if I sit on it, look, it doesn't sink as much. Oh, look! Wow, I actually can walk on water. Let's try this again. Alright, one more time. This is so much fun. Gus is excited. I'm about to get the puppy in it. But guess what? They actually sell double the length of this thing. I should have bought the longer piece, but this thing is amazing too. Okay, I'm gonna try to run from one side to the other side. Yeah, it is definitely successful. Oh man, it's so fun to run on it and then fall. Okay guys, dangerous, do not try. I'm gonna try to make a bridge. I'm gonna try to run from this side to this side. Hopefully I'll float a little bit too. Since it's not long enough to run across the whole pool, I'll do at least sideways. Okay? Do not try this at home. Ah! I made it! I made it, yes! Okay, let's put the dogs out. Let's see what they think. Guys, come on! They're so funny! Come on, you guys, you got to ride! Come on, you guys! You got to ride! Yeah, you can stay there! Can you climb too? Guys, don't go around. Oh, don't go around, guys. Take a break. Look, climb it. Come on, climb it. Look at them, they're just chilling in the water on the pad. This thing is the best. Wow, I think they're enjoying it. Let's see if I can get on it too. Yeah, this thing is the best. The dogs are loving it. Hi guys. I think they're thinking more with me on it. What are you doing? Are you scared or something? How come you guys don't want to get off of it? Honestly, you can tell they're enjoying it. They're just chilling right on top of it. Gus loving it too. Wow. Tell me this thing is not the best thing ever. You can tell the dogs are enjoying it. Let's see if they're going to get off. If I'm going to get them closer to the wall. They're like, nah, we're chilling on the mat. Let's see if they get off or not. Like, nah, I'm good. Gus might get off. Yeah, he got off, so it works. Come on, Gus. Get back on it. Come on, Gus. Ooh, come on, Gus. I'll help you. Come on, Gus. Good boy. Look at them. Yeah, this is the best pool toy ever. What's up, guys? You just floating around? Let's do a thumbnail. Yeah. Let's see what they're gonna do if I leave them alone. That was so funny. Oh my gosh, Gosh, what are you doing? Gus, can you... He's not a good swimmer yet. Guys, he almost drowned. God, watch him. He went all the way under. He's so clumsy. This is so funny. Oh my gosh, this is the best dog toy ever. Gus, you're gonna fall in. Yeah, there you go. Come on, come on. There you go. You found it. There you go. There goes another one, and there goes the third one. I think they had enough. Good boys. Good boys. Alright, I think it's enough for them today. Good boys. Uh-oh, our mat is falling off. Well guys, obviously we enjoy this, and you know what, if you have kids, you must get one of these if you can, because this is so much fun. I cannot wait to play with kids, like with cousins and stuff. They're gonna love it. I had so much fun just with the dogs. Imagine with children. It's gonna be amazing. Priceless. This thing for sure. But I would be careful when you're running around on this mat. Once again, do not fall and hit your head or a side on the side of the pool. So these are way better to take them on a big pool or lakes. This one is a little bit too small of a swimming pool to do this. Kinda dangerous, but you know, just play safe. Anyways guys, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Also this thing, I think it's like an anchor, or you hook it up to the dock so that way it doesn't float away. That's pretty cool. So let's see how hard it is going to be to fold it back up. It might be 2 people's job for sure. So make sure you have a big car if you're gonna have to fold it up. I'm sure I could have done a little better job, but as you can see, you might want to sit on it a little bit more and get Velcro. You just put a Velcro around there, stick it in your truck or SUV and no problem. And you can also put it behind of the boat as well. Great idea, but for now I know I'm gonna be playing more with that, so I'll just put it in the pool again. It takes shape, you know. I love it. It's very durable, so definitely thumbs up for me.